What tools do you suggest we can use to make sure that time is used efficiently?
One of the most basic tools that you can use is either a calendar or a spreadsheet. And what you do is you map out all these different priorities, your personal priorities and your work priorities, and how much time you want to devote to them. And the reason why I recommend you do this in visual form is because you can begin to see, wow, this is where my time has been going. This is where I need my time to go so that I can live my best possible professional and personal life. So it's that basic tool of just sitting down and planning, just mapping out where you believe your time should go. Even if you don't follow it exactly, the whole point is you have an idea and you are more connected to your feeling of balance. So when you start to feel out of balance as you proceed through the week, you have something to go back to. Is it because you're spending entirely too much time in one area that you did not intend to, so you can rein yourself back in? Or did something in your life change? And so you need to reassess where your time is going. So the simple tools of using that calendar and using that spreadsheet just to map out a plan for a week at a time, a month at a time. Most people can't go any longer than that. And then as far as a daily tool, it is actually an activity and not a physical product. And that daily tool is at the end of each day, you pause whatever time you want to call your end of work day. You pause for maybe 10 minutes or so. You reflect on everything you accomplished that day, because we need to always be in that positive frame of mind. If we are constantly starting with the negative, like, oh, I didn't get this done, I didn't get that done, it drives down our productivity with all those negative emotions. So we start with the reflection. What did I accomplish? Next, you gather up all these different notes that you created in your millions of hiding places on your phone, on your computer, on a napkin or a sticky note. And then from there, you plan out your next day. What are your top 3 priorities that you need to focus on? Do you have more than 3 tasks to do in a day? Yes. But if you're not focused on what your top priorities are, you just end up running on the proverbial hamster wheel and not making the progress that you want to. So the act of reflecting and planning for the next day, that is a key tool to use. Again, not a physical product, it is an activity that you perform at the end of each day.